Everyone, am I audible? Visible? Done? Okay, we'll start now, right? So we will basically, what we will do the questions of your chapter 1, 2, matlab number system, polynomial and linear equation, and then which one? Triangles, Heron's formula, was okay, and lines and angles. Yeah, you'll get clear. So let us start from the first question, right? Everyone get ready. So this is your first question, though I have discussed with you, bacho. We are going to discuss which chapters? Chapter, just a second, just a second. Hold you all. Who is there? Check now. We are going to start which chapter now? Chapters are Gaurav. Okay. See, we are going to discuss basically chapter 1 first today, number system, number system, all the important questions we'll discuss. And in number 2 is what? Polynomials, some question also we'll discuss. And number 3 is bacho linear equation in two variable, clear. And number 4, which one? Lines and angles. And 5 is Heron's formula. And some question if possible from triangle, that is I'm not writing here. Basically we will discuss this 5 chapters, and here in linear equation case also some question if required we will discuss from coordinate geometry. Clear? Okay, chalo, get ready all, get ready. So we are moving to the first question. Our first question is here, bacho, check karo. Is it visible? Who can answer me? Tell me. Fatafat solve karo. Solve this question. Who can solve this question? Check karo. This question, do you know from which chapter? It is from chapter 1, number system, and that is exponent. Laws of, you have to solve by the help of laws of exponent. I hope you know that law. Which one will help as it is visible, bacho? So, but take the laws of exponent and solve and tell me what is the answer. Tell me. See what is. See everyone, see what is the answer. Answer de do bachcho. What is that? First question ka answer kya? The value of this one is how much? Two to the power 40 plus 2 to the power 39 plus 2 to the power 38 whole divided by 2 to the power 41 plus 2 to the power 40 minus 2 to the power 39 is how much? Bolo. How can you solve? Did you check? No, yeah. So it's quite simple, bachcho, check karo. So what you have to do here, see everyone, how can you solve this question? Though it is coming from exponent, but these are which symbol? Bolo, which symbol? Plus and minus, So you cannot use your a to the power m into a to the power n formula. You cannot use. This is not multiplied. So what you have to do? Bolo, kya karna hai idhar? How can we solve? So we have to solve how, check karo. 2 to the power, it is given 2 to the power 40, very simple question. Plus 2 to the power 39 plus 2 to the power 38 whole divided, bachcho kitna hai? 2 to the power 41 plus 2 to the power 40 minus 2 to the power 39. Yes or no? So how can you solve this question? For solving this question, one thing we have to use, bachcho, kya hai na? check करो 2 to the power 39 and 2 to the power 40. Is that possible to write 2 to the power 38 plus 2 plus 1? Is it possible to write 2 to the power 40 as 2 to the power 38 plus 2? Is it possible to write or not? Yes or no? ठीक है, मतलब I can write this one also 2 to the power 39 as 2 to the power 38 plus 1 and plus 2 to the power 38 as it is. Clear? Whole divided by, where is doubt you will tell me. 2 to the power 41. Similarly bachcho, in on denominator, which is the least power? Which is the least power? Tell me. 39. Is it possible to write 39 plus 2? 39 plus 2, 41. Clear? Is it possible to write 2 to the power 39 plus 1? 40. Okay. Minus 2 to the power 39 as 39. It means both numerator and denominator. I have written numerator. I have seen whose power, which is the least power. 38. That's why I have written this is what 2 to the power 38 plus 2. This is 2 to the power 38 plus 1. Got it everyone? Okay. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बाबू तेरे को? ठीक है. And this is what 2 to the power 38. Clear everyone? Clear or not? बोलो. Is that clear now? Okay. So now check karo everyone. Check karo here. Is it possible to write 2 to the power 38? 2 to the power 38 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 38 into 2. 2 to the power 1, right? Plus 2 to the power 38. 2 to the power 38. Whole divided by. Similarly, ये क्या है बच्चों? 2 to the power 39 into 2 to the power 2 plus, if doubt tell me. Clear? 2 to the power 39 plus 1, 39 into 2 to the power 1. Array laws of exponent you can use na here. Here base same, so their power in case of multiplication should be added. Though here added, I have written 2 to the power 39 into 2 to the power 1. Clear na? Clear na? So therefore, bachcho, this one we can write 2 to the power 39 as it is. As it is. Means in each of cases, I have used bachcho here a to the power n plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. I have used this formula, or this exponent law of exponents, right? Who is unable to understand? Tell me this much. Clear? Then what shall I do? What shall I do? Tell me. Bolo. How can I say? Yes, common. What is common, bacho? So in each term, 2 to the power 38 is common. 38 common hai ki nahi? So what is left from numerator? 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 38 we have taken. Matlab 1 left. 2 to the power 0, that is divided by. Similarly, from denominator, what shall I take? 2 to the power 39. What is left here? 2 to the power how much? 2 plus 2 to the power 1 minus 1. Got it all? Everyone? है कि नहीं? Clear कि नहीं? बोलो. Tell me yes or no? Very good, बच्चों. Very good. Next step. Coming to next step, बच्चों. Here, tell me 2 to the power 38 and 2 to the power 39. These two are divided. Both base क्या है? Base same. So power should be subtracted. That means I can write number 2 to the power 38 minus 39. Is it clear to all? Tell me this two has been divided. The base same, so which one powers are subtracted? ये पता है ना? ठीक है? Now बच्चों check करो. This is on numerator. What is left? 2 to the power 2 मतलब क्या है? 4 plus 2 to the power 1 का मतलब क्या है? 2 plus 1. Yes or no? Whole divided by how much? 2 to the power 2 बच्चों क्या है? 4 and 2 to the power 1 क्या है? 2 minus 1. इसका वैल्यू कितना है? इसका वैल्यू 2 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 4 to 6 plus 1 7, right? Divided by 4 to 6 minus 5 कितना है? Minus 5, right? So 2 to the power minus 1 का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 to the power minus 1 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 5. Answer क्या है? 7 by 10. Is that clear? Is it there in option? Is it there in option? Which option is correct? Clear all? Clear all? बोल दो. Yes. Clear ना? बस solve कर दो. Note it down. Note it down, everyone. Right? Are you solving, everyone? लिखो. हाँ. ठीक. Solve करो. Solve करो. You see where we have used this law. Okay, just keep in your mind wherever you have used. Huh? So though it is addition, so I have taken common. It is visible. See, like a bachcho, it is a so difficult question, but quite easy. This is so thoroughly you read whenever you get the question in exam. Okay. 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 I'll repeat. Just wait. Just wait. First लिख दो हाँ. नहीं आया समझ में ठीक है. ठीक है. You have completed, right? Okay. 1 second. See, 1 second. I'm telling how I have solved this question. See now, this is the question given. This is the question given. We have to solve. Though these are given, what sum addition is given, what I have done, I have seen whose power is least power in case of numerator as well as denominator. 2 का power क्या है? 38 on numerator, that is least power. So I have written every terms as 2 to the power 38 plus 240. 40 can be written as 2 to the power 38 plus ये वाला this one 2 to the power 38 plus 1 plus this is 2 to the power 38. Is that clear, everyone? Similarly on denominator, what I have done, I have seen in case of denominator whose power is least, that is 39 is the least power, 39 is the least power. So I wanted to write every term as 39 plus something, 39 plus something. 41, 2 to the power 41 can be written as 2 to the power 39 plus 2. Okay, this is 2 to the power 39 plus 1. This is 2 to the power 39 itself. Now what happened? I have used this formula, this law, a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. So now check करो 38 plus 2, 38 plus 2 मतलब ये क्या है m, ये क्या है n, m plus n. So I have written 2 to the power 38 मतलब m into 2 to the power 2 मतलब n. A to the power m, a to the power n. This one became clear. Similarly, this one 2 to the power m क्या है 38 into 2 to the power 1. Understood? Plus 2 to the power 38. Done. Whole divided by denominator 2 to the power 39 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 39 plus 1 क्या है 2 to the power 39 into 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 39. Now from numerator, I have seen each term having a common factor, that is 2 to the power 38. This term 2 to the power 38, in second term 2 to the power 38 common, in third term also 2 to the power 38. Hence I have taken common 2 to the power 38, 2 to the power 38. So from first term what is left? From 2 to the power 38 into 2 square, I have taken 2 to the 38, left 2 square, plus 2 to the power 38 taken common, left 2 to the power 1, plus 2 to the power 38 taken, left 1. Got it? Divided by, right? 2 to the power 39, 2 to the power 39, 2 to the power 39. In each term there are three term. In each term 2 to the power 39 is common, right? So I have taken common 2 to the power 39. Okay, so left 2 square plus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 39, though I have taken left 1. Okay, so now 2 to the power 38 divided by 2 to the power 39. You know the laws of exponent kya hai? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is how much? A to the power m minus n. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so therefore we have used 38 minus 39. ये m है, ये n है, so दो in division 2 to the power 38 minus 39. Clear? Now 2 to the power 2 is how much? 4. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 is become 4, plus 2 to the power 1 is become 2, plus 1 is 1 itself. And in denominator 4 plus 2 minus 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 is 7. ये हो गया क्या? 4 plus 2 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 2 to the power minus 1 matlab bachcho 1 by 2. Okay, if I'm writing a to the power minus 1 is how much? 1 by a. So 2 to the power minus 1 ka matlab 1 by 2. Clear? Into 7 by 5. So now multiplied 7 into 1 is 7, 5 into 2 is 10. This is the final answer. Clear everyone? Check or everyone? Clear? Yes? Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay, those who are unable to understand, once again you repeat by going back. Okay, chalo. Now we are moving to the next question. Next question. Ready all? Chalo. Question number 2. Right, this is question number 1 is over. Okay, moving to question number 2. This is question number 2. There are 3 questions, bachcho. 3 questions are there. So who can give me answer immediately? Check karo. Check karo everyone. Okay, question number 2, right? This is question number 2, 3, 4. You can write here, bacho. This is question number 2. This is 2. First one is over 2, 3, and this is 4. Question number 4. Oh, this is not options. Question number 4 is this. Degree of the zero polynomial is what? Degree of the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial क्या? Degree क्या है? Okay, zero polynomial मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of zero polynomial? it is such a polynomial whose coefficient is 0. Which coefficient is 0? मतलब बच्चों, if I'm writing now 0 into x to the power anything, x to the power anything, and that should be a what? Whole number. Power should be a whole number. That is known as what? Zero polynomial. It should be a whole number. 0 into x to the power w. मतलब 0 क्या आ गया constant में, x क्या आ गया variable, and power क्या है? Whole number. Therefore, is it a polynomial? First tell me. Is it a polynomial? और अब polynomial का form क्या है? Constant into variable to the power whole number. This is the form of polynomial. Constant and variable to the power whole number. But zero polynomial मतलब क्या है? Whose coefficient? This constant should be 0. Okay. If constant is 0, so we can, the whole term is 0. Whole polynomial will be 0 if that is a zero polynomial. So we cannot determine the power. If we determine the power, then we can find the degree. Yes or no? Understood? Okay, bas chalo likh do. So that is what? Not defined. You remember bachcho, degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. ठीक है? Understood why? Because zero polynomial matlab, so the value to always 0. If value is 0, how can you get the degree? If you get degree, then you have to find. Understand? So the degree cannot be find. That is not defined. Take number 2. One of the zeros of the polynomial. क्या है? One of a zero. It is which polynomial? Which polynomial is this? It is a quadratic polynomial. Why quadratic polynomial? Because the degree मतलब highest power of the variable is 2. Highest power क्या है? 2. Hence it is a quadratic polynomial. Though it is a quadratic polynomial, बच्चों, though it is a quadratic polynomial, ठीक है? Though it is a quadratic polynomial, it must have at most how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 zeros are there. But what are that 2 zeros? 2 zeros. two zeros are there. So how you'll find the zero? Who can say? How to find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial? No, by equating the polynomial with zero. How to find the zeros of a polynomial or a quadratic polynomial, any polynomial, by equating the polynomial with zero. How to find the zero? By equating the polynomial with zero. Matlab, we have to equate this 2x square plus 7x minus 4 with a 0. So whenever we equate, though it is a quadratic polynomial, we have to factorize by middle term splitting method, right? So you know product kya? Minus 8. Product, you are going to find two number. You are going to find two number, means you have to split which one? 7x. You have to split 7x in such a way whose product is how much? Minus 4 into 2. How much? Minus 8. Is it clear? Product is minus 8. And sum kya hai? What is the sum? Sum kya hai bolo? Sum kya hai? Sum kya hai? 7. Yes or no? So how you will find? First check from product. When product is negative, either first one, this is positive, negative. One is positive, other one is negative. When product of two number is negative, matlab one is definitely positive, other one is definitely negative. But sum is plus. Sum is plus. When sum will be plus? Yes, out of two number, when two different number we are going to find, one must be greater, other one must be smaller. If the sum is plus, then the greater one is greater. G for greater, I am writing. Greater one is plus and the smaller one would be minus. If sum would be negative, so greater one would be negative. Understood? And smaller one would be positive. Got it? Now factorize karo. 8. What is the number? Who can say? What is the number? Number kya hai? Plus 8. Plus 8 and minus 1 बच्चों. Plus 8 minus 1. ठीक है? Now this would be 2x square plus 8x minus 1x minus 4 equals to 0. Hence, what is common from this two? Tell me. It is common kya? 2x. 2x is common. So left x plus how much? 4. Plus, sorry, minus is common here. Minus 1 is common. X plus 4, that is 0. So therefore, x plus 4 multiplied by how much? 2x minus 1 equals to 0. This implies x plus 4 equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x is either minus 4 or x is 1 by 2. Matlab 2x is 1, hence x is 1 by 2. 2x is 1, hence x is 1 by 2. So which one is there? Question is asking one of the zeros. Matlab it is having at maximum how many zeros? 2 zeros. So it is asking 1 0. Which one is there? Minus 4 is there, or 1 by 2 is there? 1 by 2 is there. So write 1 by 2. Write 1 by 2. Okay, everyone. Chalo, likh do. B is the right answer. Very good, very good, very good, बच्चों. ठीक है? ठीक है? You have to keep in your mind, बच्चों, while finding the zero, you have to equate the polynomial with zero. Okay, it is not given this. Is that given? It is equals to 0. It is not given. So why we have equated with 0? Because we are finding the zeros. Finding the zero matlab root. How? By equating the polynomial with 0. By equating the polynomial with 0. It could be a quadratic or cubic or biquadratic, no matter. Always while finding zeros, you have to equate with 0. Done. ठीक है? चलो. Move to the next question. This is बच्चों, आज I said this is question number 2. This is 3 over 3. Now move to 4 number. The factorization of this one. See बच्चों, it is asking factorization. This is finding 0. Difference क्या है? It is equated with 0. We will not equate this one with 0. We will not equate with 0. We have to only factorize. ठीक है, solve कर लो, solve कर लो. Option B. Okay. ठीक 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 ठीक. Question number 4. Check for everyone. Okay. Factorize कर दो. Fact over. This is. Tell me. Over. Okay. Shall I solve now, बच्चों? Number 4 question. Number 4 मतलब this is number 4. हाँ. This is number 4. This is number 4 I am solving. Number 4 is what? Factorize this. Factorization matlab we have to solve by middle term factorization method. Which term? Middle term. Yes or no? Middle term splitting. Which one is the middle term here? 8x. Why it is middle term? Who can answer? Why it is middle term? It is written in middle. That's why. That's why. No. Middle term means bacho, though this polynomial written in descending order according to the power. Let us, I'll write this one, 4x square plus 3 plus 8x. Which one is the middle term then? Which one? Do you think 3 is the middle term? No, because this is not written in descending order. First, you have to write a quadratic polynomial in descending order to find the middle term, right? Though descending order according to the power it is written. What is x power 2? X power kya hai? 1. Here x power is how much? 0. So written order is what? Power 2, power 1, power 0. Hence, the middle term is 8x. Clear? Chalo, factorize kar do. Factorize kar do. Answer, tell me. Answer. So who can say option 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3? Yes, that is. Let us see. Okay, I have got there also answer. So let us see, bacho. Let us solving this one. 4x square plus 8x plus 3. Is not it? Okay, now tell me. Product kya hai? Product kya hai? 12. Sum kya hai? Means you have to 8x in such a way two number whose product is how much? 4 into 3, that is 12. Sum बच्चों क्या है? Sum क्या है? Sum क्या है? 8. So how will get that two number? By factorizing 12. How will get this two number? By factorizing 12. Now factorize कर दो 12 को. 2, 6, 2, 3, 2, oh sorry, 3, 1. Bas, this is the factorization. Now let us take in first box only 2. First box only 2. And the product of remaining in second box. 2 into 3 kya? 6. 2 into 6. Is that 12? Okay, 12. 2 plus 6, is that 8? That means 2 and 6 are correct number, correct factor, right? So therefore, 4x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 3. Okay, now take the common from here. What is the common between these two? What is common between these two? 2x. So 2x taken common. Left what here? 2x also, right? Plus 1. And here plus 3 is common. 2x plus 1. So therefore, bacho, 2x plus 1 is again common from both cases. 2x plus 1 is common. And left 2x plus 3. Left 2x plus 3. It is our answer. Okay, option B is correct. Hope you clear. Okay, बस ठीक है, solve कर दो. Okay, चलो. Moving to next question. Next question, right? Okay. What happened? Over ना? चलो चलो. Moving to next question, बच्चों. Next question check करो क्या है? This is. Okay, answer. This is how many question over? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over. This is question number like the 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Is that visible question? Tell me. Question is visible? All? Check karo. Check karo question. Okay. 5, 6, 7. There are 3 questions. 5, 6, 7 लिख दो. And solve, tell me answer. 5, 1. Everyone, solve करो. Solve करो everyone. Understood what is question? First, this question is coming from which chapter? Polynomial, right? Do you know what is x cube plus minus y cube value? Okay. It is given x by y plus y by x equals to minus 1. Then find the value of x cube minus y cube. What the value? What it? Bolo. Tell me which one is correct. Which one? Yeah, online tell me which one is correct. Let me see your messages also. This question answer 0. This is bachcho. What is the answer of this question? Tell me. It is question number what is bolo? 5, right? Question number 5 का answer क्या बोलो? 0. Okay. Option C. Okay, I got also option C answer. बच्चों, tell me. What about you? नहीं हो रहा? Why not? अरे बाबू क्या दिया है बोल? X by y plus y by x equals to minus 1. Solve करना. Solve कर. बस this one. Tell me. X by y plus y by x equals to how much? Minus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then what is LCM? LCM क्या है? बोल. LCM क्या है? That is xy or y into x, y into x. Now LCM divided by which one? LCM divided by denominator. Xy by y is how much? Xy is LCM divided by denominator y. Y cancel, left x. So this x you should multiply with the numerator. X into x क्या है? X square plus how much? This one again xy divided by how much? X. X cancel, left how much? Y. Multiply कर दो y के साथ. So y into y square equals to minus 1. है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं everyone? ठीक है? So this implies x square plus y square. X square plus y square equals to. Check करो ना ध्यान से. Check करो. Though it is divided, if I am taking to right hand side of the equation, it will be multiplied with which one? Minus 1. Xy into minus 1 is how much? Minus xy. Clear? So now this implies x square plus y square plus xy equals to 0. समझ में आ गया this one? This one clear or not? Tell me. Huh? Oh. Just wait. Means what we have got, this implies x square plus y square equals to minus xy. Why? Xy multiplied. Then left x square plus y square plus xy means I have taken minus xy from right hand side to left hand side. So then definitely symbol minus will become plus equals to 0. Equals to 0. Bus. This one we have got. But question is asking what? Check karo. Find x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube. What is the value of x cube minus y cube? X cube minus y cube. Bolo. X cube minus y cube. You know बच्चों. X minus y multiplied by x square plus y square plus xy plus xy. Do you know x cube minus y cube? Similarly, if x cube plus y cube would ask you, what is x plus y into x square plus y square minus x. But this is asking x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube. x cube minus y cube equals to x minus y multiplied by x square plus y square plus xy. Now check karo na. Do you have this value? This value. How much? This value is 0. So therefore x cube minus y cube equals to x minus y multiplied by 0, because this is 0 we have got here. So hence x cube minus y cube equals to 0 into this is 0. This is your answer. Option number C. Option number C. Clear all? Solve कर दो. Clear ना? Solve कर दो. ठीक है? Which one? Okay, we are moving to 6 number. But first confirm me everyone, 5 is over or not? 5 clear or not? Huh? Was. So first you simplify, then after you will get the value here. Huh? ठीक है? Solve कर दो. Solve कर दो. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Those who have given answer, बच्चों. Okay. Sandhyarani Sahu is given. Which one is 0 for beta? Which number you have given? Second question number 4. This one 20 wala. Okay. Question number, actually this is question number 5. This is question number 6. This is question number 7. Okay. The number is not mentioned, but previously we have completed how many questions? 4 questions. This is 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Answer आ गया क्या बोलो? Check करो. Clear? Okay. Hey Babu, you have completed or not? ये बेटा तुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? हाँ क्या डाउट है बोल. Clear ना everything? Yes. Then next question solve करो ना. 6 number. 20 is a solution बच्चों. 20 is a solution. Solution मतलब solution will satisfy the equation. Solution will satisfy. While putting the solution in equation, that will satisfy. What is the meaning of satisfy the equation? LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Clear? So if 5 over, we will move to next question. 5 over? Okay. Next, chalo. Next question 6. Question number 6 is here. Check करो बच्चों. This is question number 6 ना. 5 ये क्या है? 6 ये है 7. ठीक है? 5, 6, 7. 5 number. If 20 is a solution, 20 is a solution of this equation means 2x plus 3y equals to k is the equation. Though 20 is a solution, while replacing x by 2, मतलब 20 is a solution. मतलब बच्चों x value क्या है? X value क्या है? 2. Y value क्या है? Y value क्या है? 0. Whenever we'll replace in this equation x and y value, it will satisfy the equation. Means LHS will become RHS. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0 equals to k. Hence 4 plus 0 equals to k. So k equals to 4. Is that clear? Is that clear, bolo? So question number 6 clear. That is option A is correct. Done. Okay. Next question. Any point on the line y equals to x is of the form क्या है? Where y equals to x? Where? Tell me. मतलब y coordinate same as x coordinate. Now see which option. A मतलब x, if x is a, y is a, it is satisfying this. But 0 it is not satisfying. A0 not satisfying. A minus m not satisfying. It is saying any point on the line y equals to x. Y equals to x मतलब whatever x value, if x is a, then y is also a, because these two are equal. So the option A is correct. Okay. Okay everyone. Clear? No doubt? Chalo, moving to next question. ठीक है. Get ready बच्चों. Moving to next question. Next question is from lines and angle. Is that visible clearly? Question is visible, लिख दो yes or no. Solve करो. Solve and tell me everyone. Answer क्या? आंसर दे दो, फटाफट दे दो। ओके ओके, आई विल जूम इट, इट्स नॉट विजिबल टू यू। ठीक है, now visible, tell me, visible ना? Okay, let us see whether you have given the correct answer or not. हाँ, solve करो, then after I'll solve. हाँ, solve it फटाफट, I will solve then. It is asking बच्चों find CEF angle. CEF check करो, where is CEF? CEF angle. I have got already answer from online. Okay, have you got? Very simple question बच्चों, very simple question. CEF मतलब which angle is asking? CEF मतलब this angle बच्चों asking question. Okay, check करो. What is this question? Answer. Okay. Option D क्या है? 75. Some are saying 75, 65. Which one is the correct answer? 65 या 75? Okay, over? No. Here two property we can use. Two property. One is parallel line. Check करो. AB is given parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So though AB parallel to CD, now this is what? Transversal na? It is transversal na? ASEF is transversal. This is 80, तो ये वाला कितना है? 80. Why? Corresponding angle बच्चों, समझ में आ गया? If this angle is 80, मतलब BSC angle 80, तो DCF would be 80. Why? Because of this is corresponding angle. These two lines are parallel. Question is saying AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These two are, it is 80, तो it is 80 due to corresponding angle. Now ध्यान से चेक करो, CEF क्या है? ट्राइंगल है. Either use angle sum property of triangle or use exterior angle property. Exterior angle क्या है? Sum of two interior angle is equals to exterior angle. Sum of two interior is equals to exterior. Understood? It is asking E, angle E, let E would be X. E would be X. So by the property, exterior angle property, so X plus 25, X plus 25 equals to 80. Hence X is equals to 80 minus 25. That is कितना है? बोलो. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 7 minus 2 is how much? 7 ना? और समझ में आया कि नहीं बोलो? 7 minus 2 क्या है? 5. 55 is the correct answer. 55, those who have given answer, clap yourself. 55 is the correct answer. हाँ. Angle sum property of triangle. How? If it is 80, this one you could find out by linear pair. This is linear pair. This should be 100. Here 25. Total is 180. 180 minus sum of this two. This is the 100, right? 100 plus 25, and 180 minus 125 equals to बच्चों कितना है? 55. बस. Understood? So this question is based on first parallel line property and second one is triangle property, either angle sum property or which property, exterior angle property. समझ में आ गया बस लिख दो. Can we do this, that angle A is will be equals to that side? Which one? That one, sir. This one? No, sir, that. This one? Angle A? Yes, sir. That alternate. This one? No, sir, that one. It this one? No, this one? Yes, sir. This one. Yeah. हाँ same thing. ये भी 80 है. अरे ये correspond ये भी 80, ये भी 80, ये भी तो exterior angle ना. For triangle ECF, this is also exterior angle, this is also exterior angle. So whatever you do, you have to use two property. One is parallel line property, second one is triangle property. Understood? Clear? Bas. Chalo. Moving to next question. I hope clear. Answer is bachcho B 55. 55 is the answer. Okay? Understood how? These two are corresponding angle and then exterior angle property I have used here. Exterior angle property. मतलब x plus 25, x plus 25, x plus 25 is exterior. Exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. Means if this is a triangle A, B, C, then this point is D. ACD is exterior angle. ACD क्या है? Exterior angle. Exterior angle. Exterior angle equals to sum of two interior angle. Two interior opposite angle. Sorry. This is actually this exterior का interior ये वाला है. But ये दोनों क्या है? Opposite interior. Exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. Understood? So here this two angle given or this two given, you have to find this. Like that it is happened. Clear? Any doubt now? Moving to next question. Now tell me question number ये क्या है? खत्म हुआ है. बोलो question number. Question number 8 is over everyone. This is question number 8 over. We are proceeding to question number 9. Question number 9. Clear? Chalo. Moving to question number 9. See फटाफट. Question number 9 is this. Question is visible? Bolo. Check karo question number. Question number 9. If two interior angle of the same side of a transversal intersecting two parallel lines in the ratio 2:3, then find the greater of the two angle. Huh? Okay, fine. Solve it. Okay. Let me see from online how many of you are giving me answer. Hello. ठीक है बच्चों? Question number ये क्या है? 9, right? Question number 9 बच्चों. हाँ. This is question number 9. Solve कर लो. Question number 9 है. This is. If two interior angles of on the same side of a transversal intersecting two parallel lines in the ratio 2:3, then the greater of two angle क्या है? पढ़ो क्वेश्चन आराम से पढ़ो and use the property, then after try करो solve for the answer. Okay, don't worry for the answer whether 54, 108, 120 या 136. First proper concept use करो. ठीक है? Saying question, if two interior angles on the same side of the transversal intersecting two parallel line, मतलब there are two parallel line बच्चों. ये क्या है? Transversal. Once again पढ़ो. If two interior angle on the same side of the transversal, ये transversal है तो बच्चों check करो. ABCD क्या है? Two parallel line. Let us LM intersect AB and CD at P and Q. Two interior angle of the same side, either this two or this two you can take. Understood? Same side, मतलब either right hand side or left hand side. I have taken which one? Right hand side. Okay. Two interior angles on the same side of the transversal intersecting two parallel lines are in ratio 2:3. मतलब ये वाला angle and ये वाला angle का ratio क्या है? 2:3. मतलब ये 2x है तो ये क्या है? 3x. The ratio given क्या है? 2:3. If this is 2x, this would be how much? 3x. But these two are which type of angle? Co-interior. And you know, the sum of co-interior angle is how much? 180. So 2x plus 3x is 180. Why 180? Because both are co-interior. Co-interior angle. Co-interior. Understood? So 2x plus 3x is how much? 5x equals to 180. So बच्चों x क्या है? 180 by 5. That is, you know, 5 3 is 15, 35 36 is x. But question is asking find the greater of the two angle. 2x and 3x में greater definitely कौन आएगा? 3x. So therefore बच्चों it is asking about 3x. 3x is the greater between 2x and 3x. So 3x should be 3 into 36. That is 108 is answer. Okay? Understood? Chalo. Moving to next question. If completed, everyone. Okay? Over. ठीक है. चलो. Wait. What about? Check. Chalo. Moving on. Next 9 number is over, बच्चों. Moving to question number 10. Moving to question number 10. This is question number 10. Check करो. Question number 10. Is it visible? Question number 10. Check करो. Clearly. Bus. Check करो. Check and tell me, everyone. Check and tell. Very good, very good. Those who have given 108 as answer. What about the next question answer? Tell me, everyone. While also doing the question in your exam, first read and write the given informations. Then bus use which one? Your concept. Definitely you can solve. Check karo, check karo. What is the correct answer? Check karo. Is which property we are going to use? Parallel line property. Yes, ठीक है. Very good, very good. Let me check how many has been given answer. C. C is answer, bachcho. Tell me. Okay, C is answer correct. Okay. 285 also I got answer. Okay, bachcho. Okay. Who is unable to understand? Tell me. Who is unable to understand? You? Okay. Take C now. Now question is given, checker AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. So AB line parallel to CD is given. Okay? And the question is asking value of x. X matlab this angle. Now see, is there any direct transversal between AB and CD? There is no direct transversal. So it is too difficult now to find without transversal, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to draw a line. Construction kariba. Kon kariba bachcho? Construction kariba. Eiti gote construction kariba. Kono? Through O, we have to draw a line. Let us PQ, which is parallel to AB. Construction kya hai? Construction here. Construction. We have construct PQ parallel to AB passes through O, passes through point O. Are you getting? Okay. If these two are parallel, these two are also parallel. Why? Because AB parallel to CD, PQ parallel to AB. Hence, definitely PQ also parallel to CD. You have studied now, if two lines parallel to same line, then they are parallel to one another. Yes, right? If AB parallel to CD and AB parallel to which one? PQ, then AB parallel to PQ as well as CD. This is the result. Okay? So that's why these two are parallel. मतलब AB PQ parallel. ये वाला क्या है? Tell me. व्हाट इज दिस इज ये क्या है, ये क्या है ट्रांसवर्सल बच्चों, ट्रांसवर्सल है कि नहीं, ट्रांसवर्सल है कि नहीं, बोलो if this is transversal, you know these two angles are which type of angle, alternate interior, so therefore this one बच्चों क्या है 40, 40 है कि नहीं, है कि नहीं 40, डन। Similarly this is also parallel, which one, CD parallel PQ, CD parallel PQ, and now this is क्या है, which one, OD, what is OD, OD क्या है transversal, so therefore definitely बच्चों these two angles are equal, ये 35 तो ये कितना है 35 है कि नहीं, right, okay, now tell me at a point, angle at a point is how much, एंगल एट ए पॉइंट कितना है, एंगल एट ए पॉइंट कितना है 360, एंगल एट ए पॉइंट इज 360, कितना 360, इफ दिस टू साइड सम क्या है 40 प्लस 35, दिस टू साइड क्या है, एंगल क्या है, टोटल एंगल क्या है 40 प्लस 35, 40 प्लस 35 इक्वल्स टू 75, मतलब दिस होल एंगल इज 75 एंड दिस कंप्लीट एंगल कितना है, कंप्लीट एंगल क्या है 360, so if this side is 75, what about this side, that means 360 minus 75, how much, bolo 360 minus 75 कितना है 10 minus 5 is 5, here is 5, 15 minus 7 is 8, 285 is the answer, understood, clear or not, concept clear, ठीक चलो लिख दो, understood, so you have to do the construction here, though it is a MCQ, I have not written briefly, but MCQ means solve, so you have to solve by this way, okay, why unnecessarily by solving all the steps you'll waste your time, not required, okay, during exam you should remember this is construction we have done, this is 40 matlab this is 40 alternate interior, this is 35 matlab this is 35 alternate interior, hence this two angle ka sum hai 75, so this should be how much 360 minus 75 is 285, got it everyone, ठीक है बस, okay चलो next question, okay, how many questions over, tell me how many questions, 10 questions, right, our target actually I have there 20 questions, 20 or 25 questions, okay, you'll be here, you'll leave now 7:40 is time, you'll go, you can now, if you want to go you can, but you wait, okay, for some time, how many of you want to go, you, did you say your parents to come, then you leave, you can attend from online, I'll complete your 25 questions, okay, so you can leave, wait बच्चों for 5 minutes, then after we'll continue, हाँ solve कर दो ये वाला question, online, those who are online, I will continue for more 10 to 15 questions, don't worry, you be there, okay, after 5 minutes we'll start. Are you ready? All? Okay. Shall we continue, right? Okay, I have also bachcho got a doubt. I will solve that one. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Okay, are you there, everyone? Let us solve next question. Then after I'll solve a doubt. One of a student has shared me. Let us move to next question. If are you ready? Tell me. All solve kar do this question. Then after I'll move to a question which is a doubt of one of our student. Clear? What is that? Chalo, solve kar do. Solve kar do this one. Solve kar do. Solve this question. Visible question. Okay, everyone. फटाफट आंसर दे दो. What is the answer of this question? Check karo everyone. Check karo. Very good, very good. Some of students has said my construction is needed. Very good. Well done, well done. Not this question and previous question. Here, construction also, we have to construct the figure here to solve this question. Let us construct this. Chalo. So, question is saying here, the sides of a triangle are 25, 17, 12 centimeter. Let us draw a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. The sides are what? 25. Let us this one. This is 17. Okay, let me write this is 25. I'm writing this is 25. So 25 and this is 17. This is 12. And question is asking the length of the altitude. Length of the altitude. Altitude matlab perpendicular. Altitude matlab kya? Perpendicular. The length of the altitude on the longest side. On the longest side. Which one is the longest side? BC. So question is asking find the length of the altitude to the longest side. मतलब AD का length मांग रहा है where AD is perpendicular to BC altitude. Understood? For finding length of AD, you have to first find the area of the triangle by Heron's formula. By which formula? Heron's formula. How can you solve this question? Let us check karo. Though Heron's formula you have to use means you have to, for finding the area, you have to find the semi-perimeter. You have to find semi-perimeter. What is the formula of semi-perimeter? S equals to sum of three sides 25 plus 17 plus 12 divided by 2, that is perimeter by 2 is semi-perimeter. Perimeter here 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 2 how much? 14 1 carried 1 1 2 1 3 2 5 54 by 2, that is 27 is S. Okay, you know Heron's formula. So for that you need S minus A, means semi perimeter minus first side A. 27 minus 25 कितना है बच्चों? 2. S minus B मतलब semi perimeter minus second side. 27 minus 17 कितना है? 10. Okay. S minus C मतलब semi perimeter minus third side. 27 minus 12, that is how much? 15. क्या है? 15. Understood everyone? Understood or not? So then बच्चों we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Area क्या है? Area of triangle ABC equals to square root of S into S minus into s minus b into s minus c. ये क्या है? Heron's formula. ठीक है? So now 27 into 27 minus 25 मतलब 2. S minus a we found 2 and s minus b we found 10 and s minus c कितना है? 15. इसका क्या है? Square root. You know, for finding the square root, we have to factorize all the members here, all the factors which are here by prime factorization method. 27 factorize karo by prime factorization method. 27 will become 3 into 3. Understood? And here 2 is there. 2. 10 would be 2 into 5. 15 would be 5 into 3. इसका क्या है बच्चों? Square root है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? So then, if I'll write further by making a group, there is 4 3s, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 3s are there. How many 2s are there? 2 2s multiplied. 2 5s are multiplied. It's square root. And you know, finding the square root matlab writing from a pair of equal factor a single factor. Matlab 3 into 3 will give us square root of 3 into 3 क्या है? 3. Again square root of 3 into 3 क्या है? 3 multiplied. Square root of 2 into 2 क्या है? 2. Square root of 5 into 5 क्या है? 5. Hence the area is 5 to 10 into 9. 10 into 9 क्या है? 90 centimeter square. 90 centimeter square क्या है? Area of this triangle. Area of this triangle. Okay, but question is asking about the length of the altitude with respect to longest side. बच्चों, also you know area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. That means by Heron's formula we have got the area 90. If I'll use half into base into height, that is also क्या है? Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. बच्चों, half into here base क्या है? Base is BC 25. Why base is BC? Question is asking to find out the AD length. So in respect to AD, BC is what? Base. Height is not given. Height मतलब AD. AD equals to area of ABC we have got बच्चों. Area of ABC क्या है? 90. So therefore tell me H is equals to 90 into 2 divided by 25. Yes or no? 90 into 2 divided by 25. So now tell me 5 5 here 5 में cancel करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 18. So that is 36 by 5. 36 by 5 equals to 5 7 35. 5 7 35 है कि नहीं? Left कितना है? 1 10. That is 5 to 7.2 centimeter is the answer. है क्या? 7.2 centimeter is the answer. Is it there now? Okay, चलो solve कर दो. Hope all of you have clear, right? If not, लिख दो. No sir. Clear everyone? Tell me. Seven point. Very good. Very good. Let us moving to next question. Next question, bachcho. Just wait. That is a doubt we will solve. Okay. That is a long question. You can say. This angle is better right angle. This angle is right angle. Altitude is always perpendicular to the base of the triangle. Altitude is a what? That is a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. That means altitude. This is not, this triangle is not right angle triangle, but this one, this altitude is right angle. Okay. Check. Clear, clear, clear. हो गया? बस लिख दो फटाफट लिखो. It could be also, if options I will delete now, it will become a long question also. Okay, 3 to 5 mark question. This is okay. If option would be there, then definitely that is the 1 mark questions. So while finding area by Heron's formula, always बच्चों find s minus a, s minus b, s minus c first. Then after you replace there. Before finding that one, you find these values. Then directly you replace. Okay. ठीक है? Over. ठीक है. Next question. It is a doubt of the student. Let me solve that question. Check. Question check करो. Question is given बच्चों like this. You can write. Prove that. Question लिखो. Prove that the bisector. Prove that the bisector of the linear pair of the linear pair of angles. Prove that the bisector of the linear pair of angles are at right angle. Prove that the bisector of the linear pair of angles. Prove that the bisector of the linear pair of angles are at right angle. One thing just to remember, in class 10, though you are going to appear board in class 10, so when this type of question is given, it is a geometrical question or not? Figure is given? No, figure is not given. So you have to draw the figure. For correct figure, in case of a 5-mark question, you'll get 1 mark for correct figure. If you are drawing correctly the figure, then you'll get 1 mark. If you will not draw, you will not get. It is written clearly in marking scheme of CBSE. Okay, CBSE marking scheme में लिखा हुआ है कि if a question where figure is not given, if you are drawing, then you are getting 1 mark. But how you draw? You are not habituated. So whenever geometrical question you are doing, draw always the figure. Then you'll habituated. Understand? Everyone clear? Chalo. Now I'll solve. Question is saying, बच्चों check करो. Prove that the bisector of the linear pair of angles. Whose bisector? Linear pair of angles. ठीक है? Now tell me बच्चों, if I'm taking, this is a line AB. Now tell me बच्चों, these two angles are linear pair of angle or not? Tell me. If AB is a line segment and CD intersect AB at point D, now tell me angle ABC and CDB are linear pair or not? Are linear pair? Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? It is given. ये क्या है? Given. ABC and CDB, ADC, it is ADC, it is not ABC, it is ADC and CDB are linear pair. You check on ADC and CDB are which angle? Linear pair of angles. Question is saying prove that the bisector of the linear pair, bisector of the linear pair, matlab we have to draw the bisector of these two angles, ADC bisector and CDB bisector. So you can leave. Okay, everyone, what we are going to do? We are going to draw the bisector of ADC and BDC bisector. Let me draw here. Okay. Though I have written here linear pair, I am squeezing this. Visible? Check karo. Bisector of ADC. How to draw? Bisector means it is what your line segment. Let us DM. DM is the bisector of which one? ADC. Bisector का मतलब क्या है? DM divides ADC into equally to half. DM divide ADC into 2 equal half. It means, let us बच्चों क्या है, this angle is x, this angle also x. Understood? If ADM is x, then CDM is also x, because DM is the bisector of ADC. Okay? And then this one, let me draw in another color, that is DN. DN is bisector of which one? CDB. CDB bisector is which one? DN. Bisector matlab it is a line segment which divides an angle into 2 equal half. Matlab bachcho, if this angle is y degree and this one would be also y, this one would be y. Clear? So now also given we have to include here DM and DN are bisector of ADC and CDB. DM is the bisector of ADC and DN is the bisector of CDB respectively. ठीक है? Then बच्चों, what is to prove? What is asking to prove? What is asking? Prove that the angle, the bisector of the linear pair of an angle at a right angle. Matlab, we have to show this angle, this two bisector na, this two bisector, angle between these two bisector is what? Right angle. Matlab, prove that the bisector of the linear pair of an angle at right angle. ये bisect कर रहा है किसको? That linear pair at right angle. मतलब ये वाला angle, the x plus y, we are going to show that is right angle. It is bisecting, both are bisecting at right angle. Are you getting, everyone? Are you getting what is to prove? We are going to prove बच्चों, that is MDN angle is equals to 90. मतलब MD का वैल्यू क्या है? MDN का एंगल का वैल्यू क्या है? That is x plus y is 90. We have to show this. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now check करो proof. Now क्या है? Proof. How to prove this? Okay. See, given question, this two are which angle? Linear pair angle na. Though these two are linear pair of angle, their sum kya hai? 180. Are you getting, everyone? So therefore bachcho, I can write ADC plus CDB equals to 180. Why? Because they are linear pair of angle. Sum of linear pair kya hai? 180. But bachcho, ADC angle, check karo, ADC angle divided equally into two part, that two are kya hai? X and x. Matlab I can write na ADC as ADM angle plus CDM angle. Which one I have split? Which one check karo? ADC I have written ADM plus CDM plus, check karo. Which one I am going to write now? CDB, check karo, CDB again divided into two equal part. Why? Because this is the bisector. Question is saying DN is the bisector. Therefore bachcho, CDB can be written as CDN angle plus BDN angle. Okay, the total is 180. Because I have not changed in right hand side, I have only changed which one? Left hand side. As per their bisector. ADM plus CDM. Which one? ADC. CDB is what? CDN, check karo, CDN and BDN I have written, CDN, BDN. Okay, okay, check karo. Means this one is split into their bisected angles. Clear everyone? Now check karo कि ADM value क्या है? ADM x we have assumed, though this is x, this is also x, because these two are equal, bisected. Hence x plus x plus ये दोनों क्या है? Y plus y is 180. So this implies x plus x क्या है? 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y is 180. This implies 2 is common बच्चों, x plus y क्या है? 180. So x plus y equals to 180 by 2. That is x plus y is 90. Understood? Now x plus y value क्या है? Check करो. X plus y in place of x I can write ना CDM angle. CDM angle. X is CDM. Y क्या है? CDN plus CDN equals to 90. But बच्चों CDM मतलब which angle? CDM plus CDN क्या है? MDN. Clear everyone? This implies this is MDN is 90 degree. We have written it to show this one, and we have shown here, hence proved. Hence क्या है? This is proved. PROVED, proved. Check करो whether you have clear or not. If not, tell me where is doubt. Okay? Check करो everyone. फटाफट check करो. Very good, very good. Bisector means it is equally divided into two parts. ठीक है? चलो सॉल्व कर दो. सॉल्व कर दो everyone. सॉल्व करो, then after we'll move to the next question. हाँ, सॉल्व कर दो फटाफट. प्रांशु शुक्ला, कौन है प्रांशु शुक्ला? Very good, very good. He is only answering. What about others? Okay. Shall I move to the next question? Yes, लिख दो. If you wanted to see the next question, yes, लिख दो बच्चों. How many of you wanted to solve the next question? Yes, लिखो. Okay, very good. Just wait. Over this one. Okay, moving to the next question. Right? Okay. ठीक है, just to hold a second. We will do directly from here. It is somehow. Okay, we will solve here. Check karo which question you have completed. Okay, this question over. No, I think this question over, right? Okay, let us solve this question. There are here two assertion reason questions. बच्चों solve कर दो. Solve करो and answer फटाफट लिख दो. What is answer? Answer लिखो. Okay, I'm waiting your answer. Then after I'll start. I am giving you time here बच्चों. How many minutes? You know, that is 1 minute time giving you to solve first question only. Okay, within 1 minute solve कर दो first one. Time started now. First one only. Okay. After the end of the 1 minute, I will solve that one. Solve karo and tell me what is first one answer. चेक करो एवरीवन क्या है assertion reason given बच्चों you know options are A B C D A is you know A is true B is also true मतलब assertion true reason true and reason is the correctly explaining which one assertion and second option is saying A is true R is true but R is not correctly explaining and C option C is A true R false option D is A false R true okay assertion true reason is false so time is going to off right now bacho okay time is over let me solve right okay I hope question is visible all of you have read completely now check karo question given here question is given the bisector of the angles of linear pair right angle which one we have discussed yes or no the bisector of the angles of linear pair at right angle already we have solved recently yes or no the option A matlab assertion is true bachcho if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 then the non-common arms are in a straight line very matlab good question this one check karo if sum of two adjacent angle is 180 matlab bachcho let us this angle and this angle sum kya hai 180 matlab this is x this is y if x plus y is 180 if x plus 1 is y is 180 it is saying then the non-common arm check karo here though it is a adjacent angle A B C D x and y are adjacent angle why because they are having a common arm common vertex and non-common arms are opposite to common arm that is adjacent angle it is saying if sum of two adjacent angle is 180 if x plus y is 180 then the non-common arm which two are non-common AD and BD are straight line yes it is a straight line AD and BD if x plus y is 180 this is straight line it is also true matlab A is true R is true but A is saying about the bisector of the angles of linear pair right angle bisector of linear pair is right angle it is not explaining about bisector it is not explaining about bisector hence assertion true reason also true assertion true reason true but reason is not correctly explaining why are you clear because reason is not saying about talking about which one the bisector of linear pair it is only saying you if two adjacent angle is sum is 180 then the non-common arms is a straight line understand everyone okay I hope clear first question clear clear to yes lag do clear to yes lag do okay bachcho so first question I want the answer of first question answer to the first question ka answer kya hai bolo first question ka answer everybody clear or not option B option B is the correct answer matlab assertion true reason true but reason is not correctly explaining okay next question check karo everyone what is the second question answer tell me second wala who can say second one answer second one the sides of a triangle are in ratio 24 is to 15 is to 12 the sides of a triangle given in this ratio and its perimeter is 510 then the greatest side is 250 whether it is true or false tell me true or false tell me everyone second question the sides of a triangle let us draw the triangle the sides of the triangle are in ratio 25 is to 14 is to 12 let me write the first side is equal to 25x second one would be 14x third one would be 12x and its perimeter is how much 510 meter perimeter kitna hai bachcho 510 you know perimeter equals to sum of three side of triangle sum of three side of a triangle. So therefore perimeter तो बच्चों given है how much 510. 510 equals to sum of three side मतलब 25x plus 14x plus 12x. So 510 equals to 25 plus 14 plus 12 कितना है 5 4 9 2 11 and 2 1 3 to 5 x 51x is 510. Hence 510 by 51 equals to x. So which implies x is how much? X is how much? 51 1 जा मतलब 10 है बच्चों 51 1 जा 51. So x is 10. If x is 10, question is asking the greatest side among these three sides. बच्चों which one definitely greatest? Which is multiple of 25. So greatest side would be how much? Greatest side. Greatest side बोलो 250. Clear? मतलब assertion true है बच्चों. Assertion correct है. True. Semi-perimeter of a triangle equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the side. Is this semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is what? Sum of three side by 2. Sum of three side by 2. But it is given only perimeter form. That's why it is wrong. It is false. So a true, r false. Look at a true, r false is which one? Option C. Option C. Okay. Note it down. Write this two question as well as its answer. It's you have understood it is B and this is C answer. Clear, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? If you are ready for the next question, बच्चों yes लिख दो. If you are ready for the next question, yes लिख दो फटाफट. If you are ready for the next question, yes लिख दो. Okay, चलो moving to next question. Next question is here बच्चों. बस solve करो. This is also a 5 mark question. हाँ. चलो solve करो फटाफट solve करो and tell me answer. Then after I'll solve you. And your question time starts now, right, बच्चों? I'm giving you time for solving this 4 minute. 4 minute time is given to you. Let me see who is giving me answer faster, right? Solve करो. You know it is there in the internet. You can find, but don't do that. Solve this. Because in exam, बच्चों, you have to solve only. Nobody else. ठीक है चलो सॉल्व कर दो फटाफट सॉल्व करो एंड आंसर बताओ सॉल्व एंड आंसर दे दो very easy question very easy. It is coming from chapter 1, that is number system. Concept you have to use here, rationalization concept बच्चों. चलो सॉल्व करो solve and tell me the answer. I am waiting your answer बच्चों. And very few are joining. What happened? You just share to your friends. They can also take the advantage of this class बच्चों. Okay. चलो फिनिश करो फटाफट. How many of you completed? बोल दो. How many of you? Only 2 minutes and 8 seconds, 7 seconds left. फिनिश करो, finish it up, finish it off immediately. Are who was got Ovizoy? Answer is 34. Okay, okay, beta. Others, what about you? Tell me. What about others? Answer मिल गया क्या? Very good, Vijay. Others also solve and tell me the answer क्या? And after completion of the time, बच्चों, I will solve here, right? Okay. Finish करो, finish करो immediately. Thirty-four. Okay, very good. Time is only 1 minute left, 55 seconds, huh? 55 seconds left. Then after I'll solve बच्चों, ठीक है? Okay, are you solving? And बच्चों, we have to use concept of rationalizing as well as somehow the algebraic identity we will use. I'll show you how. Okay, be ready. Okay, after the completion of time I will solve. Okay, are you enjoying? Are you solving all the question or not? Tell me. Those who are attending the class, are you enjoying while solving or not? Yes, time is going to be over. Yeah, time is over. Let us start now, bacho. The question is saying what, x value given. X is how much? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Y is given what, that is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. This is x and y. Question is asking this one. I am writing here. X square plus y square. Okay. Do you know, though question is asking x square plus y square, x square plus y square, do you know, bacho, what is x plus y whole square value? X plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Yes, this implies we need only x square plus y square. X square plus y square is how much, bacho? That is x plus y whole square minus 2xy minus 2xy. Means we will use this one while solving this question. Done. Now check karo. When question is given x and y value in irrational form, matlab if their denominator is irrational, first make them rational, the denominator. How? By multiplying their conjugate. Conjugate matlab I am telling you, bacho. If square root of a minus b is there, its conjugate kya hai? Square root of a plus b. And vice versa. This one is the conjugate. This one is the conjugate of this one. Conjugate. And this is also conjugate. Vice versa. Conjugate of each other. Right? Everyone. So, if it is root a minus b given, you have to multiply root a plus b. Root a plus b. And if root a plus b given, you have to multiply root a minus b. Matlab, I have to simplify for x here, right? X is equals to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 multiplied by how much? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. This is the conjugate of which one? Root 2 minus 1. And if we are multiplying only denominator, it will not be balanced. For balancing, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Clear? Then but it will become root 2 plus 1 whole square by a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Formula kya hai? A minus b into a plus b. Formula kya hai? Identity. That is a square minus b square. These are the formulas I am writing this side, but I'll erase whenever required, right? Now बच्चों it will become root 2. Root 2 is our a, root 2 square minus 1 square. Done. Similarly, it will become how much? Root 2 plus 1 का square क्या है? Root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 2 into 1 divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Hence root 2 square is बच्चों 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. X is this. Okay. Similarly, y I am solving here. Y क्या है? You know this is y given. This is y given, right? This is y value given. Huh? So I'm writing here. Huh? Check. So this implies y equals to, again we have to rationalize it. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 multiplied by its conjugate. Conjugate क्या है? Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 plus 1 का conjugate क्या है? Root 2 minus 1. So we have multiplied both numerator and denominator. Hence it will become root 2 minus 1 whole square by root 2 square minus 1 square. It will become root 2 minus 1 का square क्या है? Root 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 square, the 2 you know, and minus 1. So that is root 2 square क्या है? 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 divided by 1. Hence 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 root 2 क्या है? Y value क्या है? Y value. This is y value. Now I hope you have written this one. Okay, if not, still again I am writing this part here. Check karo. We have x and y, we have to find this one. I said you bachcho right now x square plus y square kya hai? That is x plus y whole square minus 2xy minus 2xy. X plus y kya hai? 3 plus 2 root 2 in plus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2 and its square, right? Minus 2 into xy. Xy matlab I'm writing xy, I'll replace xy later on. So this equals to, check karo, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 cancel. 3 plus 3 क्या है? 6 square minus 2 into xy. Xy matlab 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So that is 36 minus a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, you know. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. But here a is what? 3. 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Here multiplied by 2. So 36 minus 2 into 3 square क्या है? 9 minus 2 square 4 root 2 square 2. 4 into 2 6. 2 square 4 into 2. Sorry, 4 to 8. Okay, 4 to 8. That is 36 minus 2 into 1. That is 36 minus 2. 34 is the final answer. Those you have given, very good. Right answer you have given. All. Okay. Check karo. This is the solution of this question. Go through it. Who is unable to understand? Tell me. And where? Who is unable to understand and where? Tell me. Clear? Clear bol do. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Moving to next question. Get ready everyone. We are moving to the next question. Moving to next question. Okay? Chalo. Next question is here. The degree of this polynomial. Degree matlab highest power of the variable. Bolo degree kya hai? Fatafat bol do. Fatafat bol do. Fatafat. Yeah. Who can say answer? I'm expecting immediately the answer without a fraction of second बच्चों. बोलो. Answer दे दो. Answer is very good. 4. 4 is the answer. Right, everyone? 4 is because the highest power of the polynomial is 4. Right? Highest power of the polynomial is 4. The highest power of the polynomial gives us what? Degree. Understood, everyone? Chalo, moving to next question. Moving to next question. Here is the next question. P of x is given, then find P of minus 1. P of minus 1, find karo. Value of the polynomial when x is minus 1. Find karo, आंसर दे दो. आंसर दे दो बच्चों, फटाफट आंसर दे दो. आंसर क्या बोलो? Value of the polynomial when x is minus 1. When x is minus 1. Okay, given. Very good. Let me check. How many of you have given? Oh, 9 is answer, right? 9 check karo, everyone. Okay, 9 given. ठीक है. Let us see बच्चों. P of minus 1. मतलब what you have to do? You have to write the P of x क्या है? That is x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3 plus x square plus 6. Okay, x at minus 1, you have to find the answer. X is minus 1. Okay, so put कर दो minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power, so this is ठीक है ना, minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 6, right? Minus 1 to the power 4 क्या है? 1, you know ना? So even power of a negative value क्या है? Positive always. And 1 to the power anything, you know, except 0, that is 1. 1 to the power 0 also 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 बच्चों क्या है? Minus 1 plus ये भी plus 1 plus 6. Therefore plus 1 minus plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 बच्चों, 6 plus 3 is 9 is the right answer. 9. Very good. Those who have given answer, right? That means you are solving. Okay बच्चों, very good. And next question is in front of your screen. चलो solve करो and tell me the answer. आंसर दे दो फटाफट. Okay, solve करो. Solve this फटाफट बच्चों. Solve करो immediately, right? Are you solving all? I'm expecting answer within 2 minutes, right? Your time starts now, bachcho. 2 minute time. 2 minutes is time given to you all. Okay? Time started. How many of you have given answer? Let me check. Okay. Are you solving all? Bolo. Oh, we have solved, I think, this question, right? Previously. Yes? We have solved today, okay? Okay. Tick. This question already we have solved, bachcho. I hope you know the answer, right? So switching to the next question, bachcho. Leave it. We have completed this question already today. Next question. This is also we have done. Okay, chalo. Next, this is also we have done. Okay. Are you here? Why again questions are repeated? Okay. Next, this question solve karo. This question. Let me see who can give me the answer immediately. Your time now. Also 2 minutes for this question. 2 minute time I'm giving you. Solve karo. Chalo. Solve this. Time started now. Okay. Good. चलो solve करो this question. आंसर दे दो. ये क्वेश्चन का क्या होगा? आंसर बोलो. See, almost you have बच्चों completed more than 25%. More than 25 questions, I hope, right? Again, further, we will also, I may take tomorrow, to not day after tomorrow, okay, a class, okay, everyone, and Sunday also, definitely, Sunday evening, Sam 6:40, it will be start at 6:40 exactly. Get ready for that. How many of you got answer? Tell me. How many of you got answer? Tell me, bachcho. Only 39 seconds left, bachcho. Those who are solving, फटाफट answer दे दो. Those who have completed. So Avinash has given answer 4. Okay. What about others? What about others? Others, bolo. Answer क्या? 10. Avisa has given 10, bachcho. Avinash has given 4. Avisa given 10. What about others? Time is going to over right now. Okay, time off. Now, bachcho, check karo. I'll solve. This is the time. Right now, I'll solve. See, bachcho, here, question is asking x minus 1 by x whole square. But question is given x value. When question is given x and question is asking somehow about 1 by x, find karo. 1 by x nikalo. 1 by x. Matlab, bachcho, x is given 1 plus root 2. We have to find first 1 by x. If x is 1 plus root 2, then 1 by x definitely you can say 1 plus root 2. 1 by 1 plus root 2. But the denominator irrational. We should not keep the denominator as irrational. We have to make it rational by multiplying its conjugate. By multiplying its conjugate. Conjugate कौन है? 1 plus root 2 का 1 minus root 2. Multiply कर दो both numerator and denominator. So ये आ जाएगा 1 minus root 2 by 1 square minus 1 square minus root 2 square. That is बच्चों 1 minus root 2 by 1 square. तो you know 1 minus root 2 square क्या है? 2. So therefore the value is 1 minus root 2 divided by minus 1. That is how much? Minus 1 into minus 1 by minus 1. Minus 1 plus root 2. So therefore it will become root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Are you clear? It is which one value? It is the value of 1 by x. It is the value of 1 by x. Okay. Now question is asking to us, bachcho, x minus 1 by x का square. चलो डाल दो x का वैल्यू क्या है? 1 plus root 2 minus this minus I have written 1 by x का वैल्यू क्या है? root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 and whole square. So let us simplify the bracket work first. 1 plus root 2 minus root 2 minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus 1 whole square. So therefore बच्चों root 2 minus root 2 क्या है? Cancelled 0. So 1 plus 1 बच्चों क्या है? 2. 2 square is 4. Answer is 4. Those who have given 4 correct answer. Congratulations. Okay, everyone, clear or not? Tell me. So which option is correct option? Option number 4. Second option, that is 4 is the answer. Okay, everyone. Check karo, check karo, check karo. Those who have given correct answer, check karo. Okay, clear? Tell me, everyone. Clear or not? Tell me. Bolo, bolo. अरे बोलो यार. ठीक है? Okay. चलो चलो चलो. What about others? Whether those who have done correctly and also understood, yes लिख दो. Those who have done correctly and understood the answer, yes लिख दो बच्चों. Yes लिख दो sir. Yes sir, completed लिख दो. Then I can understand you have clear also. Don't worry if you have done wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, it matters whether you have understood or not whenever I have explained. that one matters. Are you clear? Those who have clear, yes लिख दो, yes yes sir. ठीक है? Moving to next question. Next question. Are you ready? ठीक, चलो चलो. Next question is here बच्चों. An isosceles right triangle has area 8 centimeter square. The length of its hypotenuse क्या है? An isosceles right triangle has an area this much. The length of its hypotenuse. Question पूछ रहा है. Find करो. ठीक है? चलो find it. Isosceles right triangle बच्चों, given the area is this, so then find the length of its hypotenuse. Okay, right triangle given बच्चों, isosceles right triangle. क्या है आंसर? मिल गया क्या everyone? Tell me. Square root of 32. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good. We will solve, then after we will discuss whether it is correct or not. बच्चों isosceles given, isosceles draw कर दो, figure draw करो. Very simple question बच्चों. ठीक है? Okay, let me solve, right? चलो, let me solve. So the question is saying बच्चों an isosceles right triangle. Let me draw here. Let me draw the figure. बच्चों this is an isosceles right triangle. A right angle at where B. Though it is isosceles, remember बच्चों perpendicular and this is क्या है, base are same and hypotenuse never be equal. Clear? In isosceles triangle. So though these two are equal, let me write P is also x unit and B also x unit because these two are equal. Clear? The area given how much? 8 centimeter square. Area क्या है? 8 cm square. It means area of a right triangle, we can use half into base into height. Half into base क्या है? Base is x. Height क्या है? X. That is 8. So therefore, x square by 2 equals to 8. This implies x square equals to 8 into 2, 16. So x is square root of 16 बच्चों. This implies x is plus or minus 4, but we will take consideration as 4. Length always be positive. Clear? So x is 4. मतलब दोनों side क्या है? 4. Though it is a right angle triangle, we have to use Pythagoras theorem for finding hypotenuse. So perpendicular क्या है बोला बच्चों? 4 centimeter. And base क्या है? 4 centimeter. Now hypotenuse is asking. लगाओ Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem क्या है? H square equals to P square plus B square. Okay. So h equals to square root of p square. P मतलब 4 square plus b मतलब 4 square. Hence बच्चों check करो. 4 square is 16 plus 16 square root, that is square root of 32 centimeter. This is the answer. Is it there in option? Very good. Those who have given correct answer. Check करो correct or not. Okay. Okay बच्चों बोलो. Very good. Bus, do you want to solve more question? If you want to solve more question, बच्चों yes लिख दो. Okay, anyone else? Not only Avijay. टाइम में सुन कौन है? ठीक है, चलो. Okay, next question बच्चों here. Check karo. It is a assertion reason question. The degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3. Is that true or false? The highest exponent in a various term of a polynomial in one variable is called its degree. The highest exponent in various term of a polynomial in one variable is called degree. Okay, tell me, your time starts now. Who can give me correct answer? Let me see. Time is 1 minute बच्चों only. Find करो and फटाफट आंसर दे दो. आंसर दे दो फटाफट. आंसर दे दो. What is A, B, C, D? A मतलब assertion true, reason true, and reason is the correct explanation. And B मतलब assertion true, reason true, but reason is not correctly explaining assertion. Then after assertion true, reason false. C and D is assertion false, reason is true. Have you given me answer? Tell me, bacho. A is false, R is true. Okay, what about others? The time is going to start now, so time is already end, so I have to solve. But before that, option A, matlab assertion is true, and reason is correctly explaining, right? Jigyasa is saying, and cow timation is A is false, R is true. Let me check. Check karo bacho. Now, question is given the degree of this polynomial. Degree matlab kya hai? The highest power of the polynomial. But this is bacho only multiplied. For that, we have to multiply that for simplifying. X minus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 4. Let us multiply. Check karo, I am multiplying this to first. X into x is how much? X square. X into minus 3, minus 3x, minus 2x plus 6, right? 2 3 is 6 multiplied by x plus 4. Then bacho, x square minus 5x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 4, hence x into x square kya hai? You know x cube, x into minus 5x, you know minus 5x square, x into 6 kya hai bacho? 6x plus 4 into x is 4x square, and 4 into minus 5x is minus 20x, and this is plus 24. So if I'll simplify further, x cube minus 5x square plus 4x square is minus x square, 6x minus 20x is minus 14x plus 24. The highest power is 3, which is true. Assertion is true, but assertion is true. Clear? Assertion is true. Is that clear, everyone? Bolo. Understood, everyone? Assertion is true. Reason: the highest exponent in various terms of a polynomial in one variable is called its degree. Yes, that is true. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is known as a degree, and therefore reason is also true. Assertion true, reason true. Assertion is asking about degree, reason is also explaining about degree. Therefore assertion true, reason true, and reason is correctly explaining assertion. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Clear, everyone? Okay? Yes, yes, लिख दो. Those you have clear. चलो, write this. फटाफट लिख दो. Those you have clear. Yes, लिख दो. Yes, लिख दो बच्चों. Yes, लिख दो बच्चों. Okay, clear now? Okay, moving to next question. Next question, बच्चों. This is your next question, and after this question, we'll wind up the class. Finish करो फटाफट. फटाफट finish कर दो. This one. फटाफट फिनिश करो. Let me see who can give me answer. Oh, it is not visible. ठीक है. Okay, now visible. Tell me. Solve करो. And your time starts, बच्चों now. Time, how many minutes you record? Tell me. How many minutes you record? Tell me. I'll give you. How many minutes you need? 2 or 3? Now 4. Okay, chalo, I'm writing here 4, giving you 3 minutes time to solve this. Okay? Started your time. Find karo. Then after I'll solve. Are you clear? Tell me. Are you solving, everyone? Are you solving? Bolo bachcho bolo. How many of you clear? How many of you got answer? Bolo fatafat. Send me. Everyone. This is our last question, बच्चों. Complete करो फटाफट. Then after wind off our class. Have you got answer? Bolo. Have you got the answer? Tell me. How many of you got the answer? How many of you got the answer? Bolo. Joyce Sri Raut, X is 75, Y is 35. Very good. You have given the answer, but we have to see whether that is correct or not. Okay. Let the time over. Then after I'll start solving, बच्चों. Okay. Time is going to be over within 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. ठीक है बच्चों. Let us see. Question क्या दिया है? Check करो बच्चों. Question क्या दिया है इधर? In this figure, AB. Check करो. AB is parallel to which one? CD. AB is parallel to CD बच्चों. AB parallel to CD and L is the transversal. L कौन है? Which one is L? This is बच्चों L. ये transversal. ठीक है. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. And remaining are given already. ठीक है. Now we have to find this x and this y. ठीक. Now check करो बच्चों. If I'll say you, if these two lines parallel, then these two angles are what? Corresponding angle, na? Yes or no? So now बच्चों, this angle and this whole angle equal है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? मतलब बच्चों, this angle name क्या? Let me write here P. और P है क्या? हाँ P है. ठीक है. I'm writing here बच्चों x. No. M नहीं है ना? So let me write this M. This is M point and here t is also given. Okay, here this is t given, mt. Okay, or q I am taking, though q is not there, I'm taking this is q, qt. Done. Now tell me QEB angle. QEB angle equals to EFD angle. EFD angle is not it. Why? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle बच्चों, corresponding angle. ठीक है कि नहीं? So QEB given 60. I'm writing 60 equals to EFD. ध्यान से चेक करो. EFD is divided into two part. EFD divided into two part. One is EFP, other one is a DFP. So therefore here I can write now 25 plus y. Again, so 60 minus 25 बच्चों equals to y. 60 minus 25 कितना है बोलो? 60 minus 25. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 4 minus 2 is 2. Oh sorry, 4 minus, it is 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes or no? 60 minus 25 is 35. Hence y is 35. Y is 35. Got it? Very good. Very good. Who was given y as 35? Very good. Let us find x. Let us find x. See, check karo. Now you all tell me, is this a triangle? EFP is a triangle. So if this angle is 25, if I have to find this angle, then directly x I will get. Yes. So now question is to find E. Question is to find E. बच्चों, tell me ये वाला angle मतलब BE BEF angle, BEF plus DFE is how much? DFE equals to 180. Why do you know? That is co-interior. Co-interior angles बच्चों. But बच्चों चेक करो ध्यान से कि BEF angle divided into two part, not equal part, two part. That is 40 and 40 plus this part is 40. This part क्या है? I'm writing PEF plus DFE. DFE already we have got बच्चों. DFE कितना है? DFE मतलब ये वाला whole angle it's 60. Already we have got DFE मतलब EFD और DFE लिखो. 60 तो है. ठीक है, I'm writing now here 60 equals to 180. So 60 plus 40 is 100 plus PEF equals to 180. So बच्चों PEF equals to 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100. That is PEF angle equals to 80 degree. Understood? Which one is 80? PEF angle is how much? 80. मतलब ये वाला 80 है. ध्यान से चेक करो. This is 80. This is 80. Okay, this is 80. This is 25. X would be how much? It is a triangle. Sum of three angles. So in triangle, लिख दो. In triangle EFP. EFP. Clear? So angle X is required. X is equals to 180 minus sum of other two angle. 80 plus 25, that is 180 minus 105 is 75. Very good. Very good. Joycelyn, I think she has given the answer. Very good, right answer you have given. So X is 75. X is 75 and Y is 35. Y is 35. I hope everybody clear. Yes or no? Yes, yes लिख दो. Those who have clear, yes, yes लिख दो. ठीक है बच्चों? Those who have clear, yes लिख दो. X is 75, Y is 35. Very good, right answer. Those who have given correct answer, congratulations to you all, right? And if you have clear, yes लिख दो. As I have discussed with you. So which that Joycelyn Raut is Swatika? Oh, I don't know. Whoever, but is given. Okay, okay. It's not a matter. ठीक है बेटा, congratulations. You have given correct answer. Next बच्चों, And next class मतलब how many of you want a live class tomorrow? Yes लिख दो, then I can give you. Otherwise on day after tomorrow मतलब on Saturday. Those who wanted to watch live classes tomorrow, yes लिख दो, because right now we are going to wind off this. If you want to solve question tomorrow, then yes लिख दो. You don't have exam day after tomorrow, जिज्ञासा? मतलब Saturday you don't have exam, okay? जिज्ञासा? Okay then, okay. Tomorrow I'll take classes, okay? Don't worry. Okay. So बच्चों, thank you so much. And right now I am going to wind off. Bye bye and take care. Right, everyone. Bye all.